Good morning, students. Today we are going to study in English lesson number 4, Don't Quit. This is a motivating poem which describes that the path to success is not a bed of roses. Everyone who succeeds has to overcome many problems on his way. Real winner is the one who returns with stronger resolution. So now I am going to start the poem. When the things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want a smile but you have a shy, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is queer with twist and turn, as every one of us sometimes learn. And many a failure turns about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Don't give up though the pace seems low. You may succeed with another blow. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt. And you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you are the hardest hit. It's when things seem worst that you must not quit. So, students, this lovely poem called Don't Quit has always inspired me on my bad days. Ever since I first read it years ago, this poem motivated me at a time when academic was the focus of my life. We all experience bad days when we think of giving up. In this poem, I analyze the meaning of the famous Don't Quit poem. This is a totally subjective analysis of the poem. I will be glad to hear my own interpretation of it. That's what poetry is about, promoting discussions about things that affect human life. In this poem, the title is clear and short, Don't Quit. The rest of the poem explains what not to quit, why not to quit, how not to quit, and when not to quit. It's not about not quitting a bad habit, it's about not quitting in life. The choice of the word has a wide meaning. Don't give up, don't lose hope, and don't stop. So now I'm explaining the poem that when things go wrong, as they sometimes will. In this line, the poet in essence is saying that the life will go wrong sometimes. Things do not always go the way we plan them to. Sometimes our plan go well and life continue as we want it to. But sometimes things do not work out as planned. Therefore, life also has moments when things go right. The next line, when the roads you are trudging seems all uphill, means the word road is not used literally. It used in a metaphoric sense to imply encounter in life. Often when we hear of road, we think of direction. Thus, there are times when you will be overwhelmed in a given aspect of your life. Example, your economic situation that the poet uses when rather and if, hence it's certain that at some point in your life you will face challenges or hard time. Never ending challenges make it seem like you have no moment of trudging downhill and no moment of easily trudged flat land. So rather your journey is all about climbing uphill. Life is like a journey whereby some roads are tough and the next line, when the funds are low and the debts are high. Broke moment. Lack of finance is a big everyday challenge for many. Debt is a negative thing. When you are in debt, you have no happiness because you know that you are obligated to pay the money. It could also be a metaphorical applying to a lack in a certain area of life and the inability to regain control. The next line. And you want to smile but you have to shy. Means you want to be happy. However, you cannot be happy because of the above mentioned. Things are going wrong, things are difficult, and you have financial problem. Your circumstances deny you happiness. Your life has so many low moments that you lack humor. Instead of smile, you let out a shine. The smile is a universal language of expressing joy. On the other hand, the shy shows tiredness and a lack of joy. Now the next line. When care is pressing you down a bit means the word care, it implies worry, frustration, uncertainty, which has been brought about by the problems that you face in life. These negative feelings arise from fulfilled desires and unmet needs and wants. Therefore, the hidden message is don't quit when you feel like you cannot go on. Now, the next line. Rest if you must, but don't you quit. Means when facing difficulties, circumstances in life that tire you, there is another option apart from quitting. The option is to rest. Don't quit, you can rest. Consider this. When you are climbing a hill and you quit, what happens? And what if you rest a bit? There is always another option in life which does not involve quitting. Notice that this line ends with a period of emphasis. The key point here. A period signifies that it's a time to rest. All through from the beginning the poem was continuous like an uphill climb. Now rest but don't dare to quit. So now the next line. Life is square with its twists and turns. Life does not always go smoothly. You will encounter changes in your life. Some of them are like twists where they are totally unexpected. Some of them are like turns and you do expect them. When you expect, you can prepare for. Why you don't expect it trigger to handle. Either way, this is normal in life. Remember the line of all uphill. Take heart because it will not always be uphill. Don't quit since life is like that. Now the next line. As every one of us sometimes learn, embrace the queerness of life. It's not a new thing. Every human being can learn this in the course of their life. So probably already have. Next line. And many a failure turns about. Means it easier to turn about when faced with failure rather than trudging on. Many have failed and quit because they have failed. Other people have contemplated quitting. They are not alone. Others have experienced hard time in life and they quit. Now the next line. When the mighty have won had he struck it out. Means don't quit just because you have experienced a failure. Your win might just be nearby. Don't give up. Stick it out even in failure. Keep moving beyond this twist. There could be a good turn. Many who have quit were just about to succeed. Next line. Don't give up though the pace seems slow. Means on this road of life, some people will overtake you. Don't quit because your pace seems slow. Don't lose your patience. Don't give up because failure has slowed you down. It shows that the next line in the poem is closely related to the previous in the sense that it explains it. In short, you may replace the hyphen with because, but this poem has to keep rhyming with a regular meter. The next line. You may succeed with another blow. Give yourself another chance. You may succeed the next time you try again. The poet says you may succeed, it's not a guarantee that the next blow will succeed. But how would you know if you give up? So don't give up even if you fail many times. If another blow fails, try another and another. The imaginary used here liken like to a fight, and notice that the line ends with a period. It's the end of that idea. It's a full statement that can stand on its own. Ponder about it. Now, the next line, that the success is failure turned inside out, means the success and the failure are closely related. Look at your failure as learning opportunity. You can turn your self failure into success. Turn inside out gives me the idea of clothing. Success and failure are made of the same cloth. Beneath success there is a failure, and beneath failure there is an success. Then comes the hyphen to show that the following line also define what success is. Now the next line, that the silver tint of clouds of doubt. The metaphoric clouds with a silver tint usually signify hope. Success is the silver tint. When you have doubt, don't quit because of your doubt. Go ahead even when you are doubtful. Be optimistic when you can acquire success. Now the next line, and you can never can tell how close you are, means success does not give you a date of when it will arrive. Have a flexible view of success because you cannot be completely sure of the exact time that you will achieve success. The next line, it may be near when it seems so far, means you may think that you are not going to succeed, yet you are very close to success. The previous line says you never can tell. Thus, the opposite is true. You may think that you are close to success, yet you still have long way to go. Now the next line. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. Means life is a fight, and it will often present you with pain or hardship. You probably have been hit with many small challenges in life and you continue to live. You can still continue with your life even when you face bigger challenges. Now, the next line, and that the last line. It's when things seem worst that you must not quit. Means don't quit when you feel like quitting. Don't quit during what you consider to be the worst time. You can go through your hard situation. Things sometimes are not the worst, they just seem worst. So, at such time, you must not quit. Fight to the end. So, students, in this poem, that the unknown author want to explain that what not to quit, why not to quit, how not to quit, and when not to quit. So, thank you, students.